Welcome to ParknPool's installs and how-tos. Today, we are installing Breezesta Basics Rocking Chair, model number 119RC00004. For this installation, all you'll need is an electric drill, as all other materials needed are provided in the box. After unboxing the rocking chair, be sure to lay all the parts out flat on the ground so you can see what you're working with. You'll notice at the very end of the box there is an important instructional set, along with drill bit and written instructions. Remember, the most crucial tool in the box is the two-sided bit. Both ends of this bit will be used during the install, depending on where you are in the process. Once you empty out the screws and the very important drill bit, you'll notice an instruction manual laying out all the parts for you. The first thing you'll notice is the back assembly, noted by its grooved edges. The next thing you should see are the left and right side assembly, followed by the seat assembly. This will be identified by its longer shape than the back assembly. Next on the list, you should identify two rocker slabs. The last two parts you should see are the two spreaders. Now you will begin assembling the rocker. When beginning assembly of the rocker, be sure to use the smaller bit first with the smaller screws. Also be sure that all tabs are matching up with their aligning slots. One important note while screwing in the screws is to make sure you don't do them all too tight. Leave a little space so you can tighten them all up at the end. Now it's very important as you're putting these last two rocker slats on that you turn the bit over. You're going to want to use the bigger side of the bit. If not, you are going to get stripping of the screws. So just keep that in mind as you finish up the construction of the rocking chair. Also, when installing the rocker slats, be sure that you align the grooves on the legs of the chair and drill accordingly. Congratulations, you have now successfully installed Breezesta Basics Rocking Chair model number 119RC-00004. For more installation and how-tos, remember to check out youtube.com/ParknPool today.